Well, last night I got the April Fool's joke of my life, and if you know what I'm talking about, it was the rumor going around that Vince Friese was offered the ride to HRC, and apparently this is true. This is coming from Daniel Blair yesterday, posting, quote, "Oh wow, Vince to HRC, gonna have to check a few more sources, but dang, I'm hearing chatter." Now, I'd heard this rumor from somebody else earlier in the day, and I thought there is absolutely no way. This has got to be a joke. Like, yes, he just won the Arena Cross title for MCR, but I cannot believe that HRC would want to put themselves in that kind of PR shit show. And, well, apparently it's not, but not for the reason that you would expect. He has just posted, well, not just posted, posted earlier saying, quote, "Just heard not happening. Vince turned it down." So apparently HRC is crazy enough to actually give him the ride. They have apparently offered it to him. And then he had said no. You gotta, the world makes absolutely no sense right now. One, why would they ever give him this ride? I mean, look at MCR, the bad PR they have with him every single year. Comments turned off on their socials, just like the amount of hate that they get. And for him to just say, actually, no, to take the offer from HRC, the full factory ride. I mean, obviously the Arena Cross season is over. He's won. He doesn't need to do anything else. So what else does he have going on that he can sit there and say no to this? And why? Why would they just, man, there are so many whys to this. Why would they offer it to him? Why would they even think to do it in the beginning? Like, it's just, it boggles me that somebody would offer him a ride. And in this season, I mean, granted, half the field is injured, so I guess maybe he had a chance. And if he takes out the rest of the field like he's known to do, he probably have a better chance. But I just can't believe that this is an actual thing. That he was offered it and turned it down is just makes even less sense than I thought this would. Like, if you're getting the chance from a full factory team to fill in, I mean, obviously as a fill-in rider, you're basically just there to race, show off for the sponsors, and the expectations would have to be absolutely close to zero. I mean, we're what, 5 rounds in now, so there's no way he'd be in the title chance. So it's not like he'd have the expectation to go out and win and be a title contender. So I don't understand why he would even turn this down. I mean, I'm assuming pretty good money. You know, if you're going to race for the factory squad, if you've got nothing else going on, why not? So man, I I have so many questions on why this happened, how this happened, why it didn't happen, why would he say no? Why would they even consider it? It's just absolutely insane to me that this is a thing that was happening, could have happened, and I don't know. But you guys, tell me down below. Comment. Would you have liked to see it? Would you have hated to see it? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.